It's time to sing the song of birth. And the one, and the two, and the ready, let's go.
It's someone's birthday. Let's all shout hooray. Invite all the children.
Gilbin, the golden boy. That luscious hair, pristine smile, good people skills. I swear if I hear his name one more time, I'll...
Children, to celebrate Gilbin.
You've ruined Gilbert's cake.
It's not his cake. It was supposed to be mine. Then both of ours. But it was supposed to... Wasn't even that.
Jeff, pal, take it easy.
Clarence, this is practically your fault. You started this whole Gilbin craze. And now you won't even stand up for your best friend? Huh? I am not being a baby. You took over my whole party.